Hello, welcome to today's blog, number 40. Now I'm here in the New Forest, trying to have a nice time, nice peaceful, lovely campsite, as you can see. But the piece has been broken by a little shaver running up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. He's screaming his fucking head off. He's shouting, screaming, putting up such a performance, running up and down, shouting, "Mummy, mummy." He got remote control in his hand. He's being followed by remote control swarm of wasps. Swarm of wasps, remote control. The technology these days is fucking amazing. Anyhow, he was taking the piss, so I told him, buzz off.